Choosing wheel spacers size is a key factor. There are many choices of wheel spacer fitment, depending on the car's year and model. Your vehicle has a range of potential stock wheel spacer size, including 3mm, 5mm, 10mm, 12mm, 15mm, and 20mm up to 50mm.
In terms of the look, 5mm wheel spacers don't make a difference, but they do have positive effects on handling and performance. For those who plan on keeping the factory wheels and want to add larger brake calipers, wheel spacer will be a very useful solution. They increase the clearance between the wheel and the brake. In most cases, 5mm wheel spacers are enough for clearing the rubbing issues. They are subtle and don't hurt anything.
BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075-T6 and 6061-T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. Unlike generic wheel spacers that may introduce vibrations, BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric wheel spacers feature a precisely machined center board that perfectly matches the hub assembly.
This hollow-out design of BONOSS wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption. It improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability.
BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. With precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control, these spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS wheel spacers provide a perfect solution.
If you need any help with wheel spacer selections, please leave the comments below.